Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into settings and verify your Apple ID and password so billing actions apply to the right account. Once done, open Media and Purchases to see recent charges and note any unfamiliar items. Make sure your iPad has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link before editing payment details. Changes may fail offline. If updates are needed, tap View Account and prepare your card or PayPal info. This is the first actionable step to isolate the billing source. Next, update the payment method and inspect subscriptions. This is where most billing errors appear. You go to Payment and Shipping, edit or add a valid card, then verify billing address and CVV so charges process. Once done, open subscriptions and cancel anything unexpected. Recurring fees stop immediately for future cycles. Also confirm family sharing. Make sure purchases aren't charged to a parent's card by mistake. And toggle Ask to Buy if kids are involved. These steps fix incorrect or duplicate charges. To finalize, dispute or request refunds for specific charges. Use Report a Problem or the purchase receipt to file a claim. Note the transaction ID. Then sign out of your Apple ID on the iPad, restart the device, and sign back in to refresh billing tokens and clear transient errors. If the charge remains or refunds stall, contact Apple support with receipts and transaction ID so they can escalate. Troubleshooting tip. If purchases show under family sharing, check the family organizer's purchase history.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.